This is Christmas Eve, or Eva. This sweet, beautiful Husky American Staffordshire mix was dumped on Christmas Eve, suspected to be giving birth any day. On the coldest day of the year, we just couldn't let those poor babies be born to freeze to death in the Arctic blast.
Hi, Eva girl. What are all these babies doing? Hi, Eva.
Hi, Eva.
The foster family, who are the best puppy protectors, stepped up to take Eva into their home. She became an honorary Boston. Eva loves playing with other dogs and people. She is an expert snuggler, and she is looking for her forever home.
My babies.
These are the cutest puppies. They have unique colors and love toys.
What's the matter?
Blitzen has a big white triangle on her neck. Comet, he has a black dot on the top of his head. Donner loves to sleep at your feet and give kisses. Prancer is the smallest of the puppies. Vixen has a triangle on her chest. Cupid has a heart on her chest. Dancer, he's one of the bigger puppies. Dasher, he's the biggest puppy of them all. Check out their bios. To learn more about their stories or to adopt Eva or any of these puppies, visit our website at bostonterriertn.org. Like, share, and subscribe.